So brothers and sisters, we're going to start something very important, and that is to do with date function. The date function in Excel is categorized under date time function, and it is the main function used to calculate the dates in Excel. So it is very useful for financial analysis because financial modeling requires specific time periods. For example, any person who wants to be an analyst can use the date function in Excel in their financial model to dynamically link the year, the month, and the day from different cells in one function. And today we are going to see how we can find the first day of the current year and the month. So today, right now, we are in the year 2023, and we are going to see how we can find the first day of this year and then the month of this year. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a function called, first of all, we are going to see the function we're going to use, and to do that, we first type equal sign to start the function, and we shall go ahead and type the function date, and then the date function, it will return the number that represents the date in Microsoft Excel date time code. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to go ahead and type the year. The year function returns the year of a day and an integer in a range. And then from there, we are going ahead and type day to day, which is today function. So the today function returns the current date formatted as a date. Go ahead and close the brackets. Then after that, put a comma and type month function. So the month function returns the month and the number from 1 January to December. After that, go ahead and type today function. So we're going to say today function returns the current date formatted as a date. After that, go ahead and close the bracket and put a comma and type 1, then close the bracket and press enter. Now when you are to see the current date, of course it is February, of course it is January, February 1st, 2023, and that one returns the first day of the current year and the month, because right now we're in the month of February and the year is 2023 and the first day is the 1st February. So thank you. Let's catch up in more videos on how we can deal with dates and time. Thank you guys.